The Porsche 911 GT3 RS from the 992 generation is already celebrated as one of the most track-focused sports cars ever created. However, Manthey-Racing, a renowned specialist in enhancing Porsche vehicles, is setting out to elevate its performance even further. Recent sightings at the Nürburgring, where Manthey is headquartered, reveal prototypes of a 911 GT3 RS outfitted with new aerodynamic and performance-focused upgrades. The latest test vehicles feature a significantly larger rear spoiler equipped with an active adjustment mechanism. Adding to the visual and functional drama is a central stabilizing fin that connects this massive wing to a carbon fiber panel, replacing the traditional rear windshield. Additional aerodynamic tweaks include vortex generators mounted on the rear roof section and a redesigned rear diffuser. Aero discs have also been installed on the rear wheels, enhancing stability at high speeds. These enhancements are primarily aimed at improving downforce, particularly at the rear. The stock 911 GT3 RS already boasts an impressive downforce capability of up to 1,895 pounds at a speed of 177 miles per hour, which is double that of its predecessor from the 991 generation. Manthey is clearly aiming to push these numbers even further, which could result in even better cornering and overall track performance. Manthey's upgrades typically focus on three key areas: aerodynamics, braking systems, and suspension. For previous models, this included custom brake pads, adjustable coil over suspension, and specially designed brake lines. Many of these components, along with some new innovations, are expected to be part of the package for the 992 generation GT3 RS. Despite these advancements, the vehicle's engine, a 4-liter flat-six that produces 518 horsepower, will remain unchanged, with power delivered to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Even with the engine remaining stock, these upgrades are expected to shave seconds off the already impressive Nürburgring lap time of 6 minutes and 49 seconds. Manthey-Racing is no stranger to success, having secured numerous championships and race victories. Their expertise has even earned them opportunities to represent Porsche as a factory team in major events, including the World Endurance Championship. Their upgrades are often available through Porsche dealerships, ensuring enthusiasts in the United States can also benefit from this performance edge. With Porsche recently updating the 992 Generation 911 lineup for 2025, including a new hybrid option for the GTS model, the GT3 RS remains unchanged for now. But with Manthey's magic touch, this track monster is set to dominate even further.